Where did you get your information?
Ladies and gentlemen, your next match is the third match of the Big Papa Tag Team Tournaments. Introducing first, the Diva, Titan, and Chaos.
Chaos? What do you know about Chaos?
I know that Chaos is a new mascot that showed up tonight and said he wanted a piece of the action.
Oh, that's Chaos.
Oh, no, Chaos would be the other mascot.
Oh, no, I got that.
I didn't know you got that. A mascot was blocking my view of the other mascot, and seeing that you're sitting beside me, I couldn't tell if you could see the mascot that I saw.
Mascot.
There's two. Welcome to Crew Chaos. You might want to turn it on. Yet again, Crew has purchased wrestler-proof microphones.
That's not on our format. This is unauthorized.
This man has no information.
I don't know. It's not on the format
I
here.
don't even know if he's an American citizen.
There was no. That was an unauthorized promo, and the man to my left knows all about unauthorized promos.
Hold on a minute. Just give me
And their opponents, Bo Crockett and Johnny Liberty, the Sons of Liberty.
And all the free pubescent girls go wild. And some of the free pubescent boys go wild too. But
let me take you back. See, here's the perfect example.
what?
The reason why he had to tell everybody to shut up is because he's trying to work. How would these guys over here like it if he went in Walmart at their shop and started making a bunch of noise?
These people don't work. They collect their food stamps and then
Well, they're not distracted by noise. They're distracted by muffin tops.
Well, that's easy when you work at McDonald's.
Well, what? No,
I didn't realize people actually worked at McDonald's.
they don't.
I thought that was one of those cushy jobs.
It is.
The Sons of Liberty definitely had the crowd behind them tonight. This matchup is scheduled
don't like
to
the crowd
follow with
behind
a
them.
45-minute time limit.
45 minutes? Are you making this up?
Did you see the look on Johnny Liberty's face?
45 minutes? Are you serious?
Is that a bit?
No, but this is.
Aren't they cute? They've got magic singlets.
You've got matching crutches.
Yeah, but I didn't make that choice for myself.
Yeah, you did.
Oh, I didn't.
You could have pimped it out. You could have had a black one and a red one. Yo.
They don't sell them like that. I asked.
They had to buy two. They don't come in sets.
That was their choice. I didn't have a choice.
If you send your stuff out to Jade at Top Rope Gear,
Top Rope Wrestling Gear.
she will bling it out for you, brother.
She will bling beyond.
Cheap plugs here by the Brothers Grimm.
William Kirk checking out Chaos and he's
Bo
got a-
Crockett just taking a nap.
He's got a
Hey,
cheap
Bo, it's a wrestling match. Means wrestle. Wrestle.
Look, he's up there stealing like heavy. I mean, blatantly.
gimmick, and there's the bell. We are underway.
It's a gimmick. It's a gimmick.
What's this gimmick he talks of?
So you understand now that I'm almost going to that I can punch you in the face and get away with it.
No.
Titan just right off the bat, cut off to Bo. Which one is it?
That's Bo Crockett. You get confused too?
When I'm just looking at butts in the back of heads, it's hard to tell who's who sometimes.
No, you're usually
Over.
leapfrog.
Stop. And he slaps the taste out of Titan's mouth. Intermission.
No respect shown by Bo Crockett. Obviously, with a name like Crockett, you'd think he'd have respect for this business.
Nice arm drag.
But he doesn't.
Actually, kind of like it a little more now.
Another nice deep arm drag, taking control. Titan down on the mat. Referee Kurt asking, do you give, do you give? Titan says,
Seems like you know more about the ref than you know about the wrestlers.
that's why I get paid more than you.
You get paid?
Yes.
Oh.
Oh, right in the jaw. We remind you, crew does not have a dental health care plan. Now Titan's in control, working the right side of the body.
That's a real nice fire.
Is he Hispanic, perhaps?
You know, I used to know a guy named Flex Phenom had a bandana on his arm. And it always said,
Wrong arm. Right arm, wrong arm.
Nice teamwork by the Sons of Liberty.
that's teams. Telling me.
Good way to pop an elbow or a shoulder out of joint.
Johnny Liberty
Just right.
just pounding Titan into that corner with their shoulders. Shoots him across the ring, but a reversal. Titan calling for a little woo-woo. And Johnny Liberty with a boot. Almost hyperextended his leg.
Nice flying shoulder tackle. As the camera girl goes wild.
2.
Johnny Liberty, modified sleeper?
Well, you know, he's covering his eyes to help him go to sleep.
Yeah, I do that too. And Titan reverses, misses a clothesline, Enziguri.
And a kick out.
Powerful kick out by Titan.
Titan.
Like the towers?
It was Trimmer earlier, but now it's Titan.
It looks more like a cross between Earthquake and Hannibal Lecter.
Another nice big move.
Flatliner Bulldog combo.
And Titan has kicked out to the chagrin of many bewildered fans.
They're always bewildered. Why is that new? These fans are always bewildered at everything.
It is the truth, man. You are right.
Titan right across the throat.
You know, I showed him a cell phone once and they asked me where the dial was.
Trying to give Bo Crockett a tracheotomy. And now Chaos with those boots.
Is he any relation to Justin Chaos? You would know.
Could be.
You know everything.
Maybe somewhere down the genetic line.
No, it's spelled differently.
That's a different type of chaos.
That's a different type of chaos.
Off the rope, back elbow. Chaos
I deal with this every month.
trying to,
What are you talking about? I've had to deal with it since I was born.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, well, his mom was like me.
Is that true? Were you not loved as a child?
didn't have to be. I had me, myself, and I, and Freddie.
You understand that his father was like me.
Chaos putting those forearms in, but Bo Crockett fighting back.
Nice. Belly suplex by Bo Crockett.
We've got a clean tag by the Sons of Liberty.
Well, they are clean cut, so I expect everything that they do is clean.
Double X handle to the back of Chaos. And a headbutt. Down hard.
It's staggered over everywhere.
1, 2. Chaos kicks out.
So Johnny a little slow to get to his feet after that. Don't think twice before doing that move again.
Johnny Liberty, another little knee.
Quick tags between the Sons of Liberty.
We're going up. And down. Got a pin. 1, 2. And tight with the save.
Get a connected fully, it wouldn't matter. Save or not, that would still be able to let it get back.
Well, technically he's not glad, because Chaos is kind of a big boy.
So you're saying he's more mountain than fruited plain?
Yes.
Okay.
I say whatever I want.
You look at the Fruity Pebbles, two guys here.
John Cena's here? Well, maybe he wanted to get some real work.
Well, you know. And Johnny Liberty, suplex by Chaos.
Yes.
Nice suplex by Chaos.
Down. Johnny Liberty's back saying, spasm, spasm.
That stings.
Especially when you do it in a swimming pool.
Oh, yeah, the nesting punch.
Never do that again.
Chaos making a mistake here, jaw jacking with these idiots instead of following up on Johnny Liberty. And of course that gave Johnny Liberty enough time to recover. Nice right to the eyes. Nice right to the eye. Showing that he's more intelligent.
All about the brains. Now he's going to probably show us some of the brawn.
Well, you know, the whole first row here has a total combined IQ of 2. With enough butter for a month.
Nasty back elbow. Now tight off of the ropes. Guillotine leg drop. Is it over? 1, 2. And Johnny Liberty kicks out.
You know, this would be an upset if the new tag team of Titan and Chaos had a pinfall victory over the Sons of Liberty.
It could be. Looks like we've got a neck breaker.
Shades of the late, great, ravishing Rick Rude.
1, 2. I can't tell if he kicked out or if Titan just let him up. But that was a 2 count nonetheless. Now Chaos
Off the bottom rope, which obviously makes things more vicious.
Well, when you don't strive for great heights, bottom rope action can get you where you need to go.
Sometimes. And Chaos rearranging the facial features of Johnny Liberty. And these fans are trying to start a USA chant like Chaos and Trimmer are from parts unknown.
Well, yeah, they didn't tell me where they were from, so I couldn't.
I've spoken to these two young men in the back.
They can be from Bolivia.
No, they speak perfect English. Except for Chaos, he's a little, he speaks Ebonics.
Nice stagger step, elbow drop, 1, 2. And Johnny Liberty kicks out.
And Trimmer, or Titan, little upset with the cadence on that count.
Keeping Johnny Liberty over there in their corner. Titan just distracting the referees. This Chaos is over there just choking the life out of poor Johnny Liberty.
I just work here.
watching these two men just take advantage of the ignorance of an inexperienced referee.
Well, you would know.
And over.
So you've been a master of that usually.
One,
Like he's over.
two.
I mean,
And the
since
kick
when
out
did
of
you get on
two.
such a high horse? Like you never cheated, ever.
Have you seen the new Sherlock Holmes movie?
Yes.
Do you know that little teeny horse he had to ride?
Yes.
That's why I ride a high horse, baby. You stick with the Shetland pony. I've got the Clydesdale. Into the sweeper.
99 times.
Is it over with? Will Johnny Liberty be having dreams at the Statue of Liberty with her dress flowing in the air like Marilyn Monroe?
Nice, fading quick.
The crowd with a chance of USA trying to build him up, trying to give him some strength and some power.
I never understood that. How does that give you guys strength and power?
It's a psychological thing. You wouldn't understand.
You think these people really care about you?
It's not about the care.
They don't care.
When people start calling your name, you get some power, baby. Double clothesline. Both men down. The ref's to one.
It's a camera girl. Pointing at me.
I was just commenting on our camera girl that was counting along with the referee. I found that quite
Well, I
funny.
mean, it's free help.
Johnny Liberty, Bill Crockett, I mean,
All the fire and houses,
Up and under.
clotheslines and forms, left and right, cleaning house.
there's a lot of house to clean.
And we've got a premature bell ring.
I hate it when my bell gets rung prematurely. Off with it.
I've heard you had a lot of problems with premature stuff, but
Yeah, had a couple premature kids.
He's still wants the refs to stand. That we can have.
like you said earlier,
Yet again,
it's the inexperience of this referee.
Inexperience and ignorance of the referee. So Bo Crockett to the top rope as the eagle soars up. Frog splash.
I believe,
2, 3. Ring that bell, baby.
I believe before he hit that
And
gold
you
finish, he yelled Marty Reed.
Bo Crockett
He yelled Marty
and
Reed.
Johnny Liberty, the Army.
His trainer.
Whoa, the Sons of Liberty. I almost screwed that one up.
You screw everything up.
Every chance I get.